how do you make your frontal wig glueless? Like you want to wear am without no stress. Ngwanu, begin to teach you on this video. So this is a client. She said, Chacha, I want you to make this wig glueless. Like I want it to be something like easy, but you go still they use spray just to relax. And so how do you do it? Make sure you have your scissors, your needle, of course, this elastic band. Make sure you have it, okay? You see this lace? So the band is starting from here to in this place. This is the band. We are starting from the lace. Okay, so this band is going to start from here. And then it will come, it go there like this. So to sew, you are going to take through and come out of the lace. Okay? You go again. Like this. To come out from the lace. And then you sew again. Continue like that. Just like back and front. So the thing go they obstruct the hair. What do? You want to just lift up the hair so that the thread no go close the hair, and lift up the hair. So now is well covered. You can see it is well secured. Ungwanu, now you begin to cut the thread. You understand me? Put your hair well. Learn now. All your hair products are available. Come and buy. You can as well bring your hair. I can make it glueless. I can revamp it. I can style it for you. Anything you want is available. Now you begin to tie. Okay, you tie it so that it is well secured. The other side, you are going to take it like this. Around, round, through the back. Oh, not walk out and follow front of the lace. You do like this to this side, like this. So this is the band. It's going to the back. I'll measure like this. Okay, now is the same length. You dey see I don't sew and finish. This is a frontal wig. Begin trim out the excess elastic band. Be careful so you don't cut the lace. Talk is cheap. Let's try it on. It's a client wig. Can you see? You see the way the thing hold me? Hey, bring your hair so that Chacha can make it glueless for you. Can you see, guys? You see as he lay down? See how he lay down? Can you see that? Can you see it? I want to make you see it. You see how say he lay down? I don't make them glueless. To make a C part, it's coming like this. Yeah. This hair came as a center part. You see the center part. Then the C part has to come slightly a bit. Okay. So apply my wax stick, hot comb. Got to be to freeze it. My holding spray is available. Come and get yours. This holding spray and the whole wig anyhow. Ungwanu, all styled, now glueless. Check out the before and after. So this is the outcome. Looking gengela, ready for pickup for clients. This one now, she don't need to stress again. Go just put her for her head. Ungwanu, let's go. Now it can't be. So if you are there, you want your glue to be glueless. Oh yeah, bring it for Chacha. She will make it glueless for you, okay? Since you know sabi install frontal, oh yeah, bring am and make am glueless for you so that you they can get on. Go just put on for head. Let's go night be. So can you see how I styled it, Ungwanu? So if you can still do it on your own, come and buy her products. See, every product you need for your hair maintenance are available. Come and pick up and go and slay your slay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.